Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to reset WordPress on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to the WordPress website that you want to reset, click on this Add WP Admin. This way, you will automatically log in into your WordPress dashboard. Now to reset this WordPress website, just click or just hover over dashboard and click on update. Now click on reinstall version, then this little number, and just like that, they will automatically download the latest version of WordPress and install it for you. This way you will get a fresh install of or a fresh copy. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. A fresh install of or a fresh copy of WordPress on your website. If you don't have access to this WordPress dashboard and you want to reset your WordPress website, instead of login to your WordPress dashboard, click on dashboard to visit your dashboard on Hostinger, and then go to website, then auto installer. Here you will see that you have WordPress installed on your website. Just click on these three dots and select delete. Make sure to check all this box to delete all the WordPress, the files, and also the database. Let's check this option. Now click on delete and wait a moment. Here, don't close this window to stop this because it will stop this deletion process. Now now you have no WordPress on your website, so click again on select below WordPress to install a fresh copy of WordPress. So fill in your website credentials, email address, username, password, and click on next. Select the latest version of WordPress, the language, and click on install. And of course, wait for WordPress to be completely installed on your website. Now click on this little icon to verify that you have a fresh copy of WordPress, and this is how to reset WordPress on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.